Hi messy people, today's video is on this carrot cake recipe that I actually made, and if you want to know how I made this, just keep on watching. Items needed for this carrot cake will be baby carrots, cream cheese, butter, cinnamon powder, vanilla extract, flour, sugar, salt, oil, baking soda, and eggs. For carrot cakes, you'll need these carrots, and if you have a food processor, you can use a food processor and do it, and it's so much quicker and less tedious like this. And I did injure my hands because I tried to do it faster, but if you have food processor, it'll be so much easier. But if you don't, then you can use a grater like I am, and also just try to not injure yourself like I did, and just do it slowly and take your time. So this carrots I'm using is 500 grams. Once you have grated all the carrots, you can keep them aside and get another mixing bowl. Add in your oil and your sugar. You can use your mixer to beat the oil and the sugar. Once it's fully mixed, then you can continue to add on your eggs. Just continue beating until everything is all fully combined. Next up, you can add in your carrots, and I'm just adding them slowly once they're mixed, and then add it again and mix again. Once your carrots have been mixed in, and you can add in your flour and also sieve them and add them in slowly. Also, you can add in your salt and your cinnamon powder. Okay, so this is not included in the recipe, but I decided to add some because I always think that cakes need vanilla extract to, make them nicer. Once that's done, you can prepare your pan and you're done for the cake batter. So just prepare both your pan and add them. Bake the cake at 325 Fahrenheit for 45 to 50 minutes. Okay, once you've baked the cake, just don't remove from the pan before you actually allow it to cool first, so that the moisture remains. It's now time for the cream cheese frosting. So get your mixing bowl, add in your cream cheese, your vanilla extract and your powdered sugar, and use your beater to mix them. Lastly, you can add in your butter and continue to mix. Then once everything is mixed, you're done for the cream cheese frosting. So once the cake is cool and ready, you can go to the next step of preparing the cake. I've never really liked baking cakes and doing this, because I felt that this is really a hard, tedious thing to do for me. But actually this is kind of therapeutic by putting on the cream cheese and making it look into a cake, and it's really like your hard work paid off, and it's really quite nice to do actually. So I'm kind of into it. And yeah, just add in your cream cheese and just try to fill in as much as you want, however you want to decorate your cake. I like to make it look like a full cake, put it in the middle and the side and the top. Just doing the best I can with the tools I have for now. And you can add in pecans for decorations, but I'm actually just using some of the leftover cake batter that came off, so I'm just using that to decorate. But other than that, you can use whichever decorations you want. To be honest, I'm not a carrot cake fan, but of course I still eat it, but it depends on how it actually tastes like. But this was really quite interesting, and this cake is actually very moist and rich and dense. So if you are those kind that likes this style carrot cakes, then this recipe is definitely for you. But if you like those lighter and fluffy ones, I think this is definitely not the one for you. But of course, because of the oil, then it makes it really moist. But if you want, you can switch out some of the oil for butter, but of course it's up to you, because I feel that this was a little bit, when after you bake, the cake becomes a little bit oily, but once you cool it in the fridge, it actually is nice. So that's the cake, and it really looks really good. So that's the end of my video, guys. Hope you liked it, and if you tried, definitely let me know. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet. Baby girl, be mine. Baby girl, be mine.